Good morning, guys. So I bought a new car and today I'm gonna pick it up and we're gonna go and decorate the car with me because I got some stuff from Amazon that I'm just gonna use to like decorate my car and make my car look pretty. The car, I haven't seen it in like 3 weeks, so I forgot how small or how big it is. However, I'm excited to be back on the road because I'm a 23-year-old woman actually driving on the road, not taking public transport. And I've literally been taking public transport for the past 5 months now, and I'm sick of it, hence why I got a car. But my overall goal for this year is just to be more responsible and not be a child. I just turned 23, time to start acting accordingly. Whatever the word is, but it's time to start acting like it. I have a confession to make, which is very bad and it's embarrassing confession. I have crashed 3 cars in 3 freaking months, which is so embarrassing. So my goal for 2024 is not to crash any more cars. And this would be a good and safe driver because I cannot be crashing cars on the road like I'm freaking in Fast and Furious, because this is not Fast and Furious. So I'm just drinking my morning drink, which is just some Hydrolite. You know, just get the morning started. Just gonna chuck this down. Very hydrating. I don't have anyone to drop me to pick up my car, so what I'm gonna do is obviously take public transport, which I hate taking public transport, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, let's go pick up my car. Before I actually pick up my car, I want to show you guys my outfit for today because I think I look so cute today. It's a bit rainy outside, but it's also very hot. It's a weird weather in Melbourne. This is the fit for today. It's a bit casual, whatever. So these pants are from Zara. They're from Zara. Obviously got my Saint Laurent belt. Best investment I ever spent money on. This is from Glasson. It's like a tennis top kind of thing, like gym wear. This is like the dupe of the Balenciaga earrings. I got this from Amazon. My wig look like a mess, but it's alright. It's the outfit I'm cut tonight. It's a bit cute. It's cute and cash. And obviously I'm gonna wear like a jacket on top because it's a weird weather. It's cold, but it's also hot and it's raining, but it's also sun outside. Like, can Melbourne make up its mind what you want to be, please?
1, go. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Y'all be pressed, don't stress now. Celebrate the wins and it's on to the next one. Flights that done did it, I be cozy when I'm dressed up. Drip down, they do not compare till I'm sit down. Stand on my business, that's how I'm getting down. Hey, stack it up quick, I'm tryna be safe and sound.
No, you not a virgin, yeah, you know I been that guy, yeah, you know all that shade ain't gon' never like the shine, yeah.
Okay, obviously my car is not like $1 million car or whatever, but you know what? I'm gonna treat it like it is because this is my baby. I'm gonna look after this car like it's my child. Like I give birth to this. But yeah, let's just decorate this car with the stuff I got from Amazon. I'll show you guys what I got. I got some cup holders. So my cup holders can go here. Let's just do the little... Let's see if I turn... Oh, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so dumb. I should have measured everything before I bought it. But it's alright. You know what? They can go over here. Yeah, they can go here. Right here. I mean, it still looks cute, okay? It still looks cute. I'm so sorry, guys. I ended up decorating the car without you guys because my brain was a bit frantic. But yeah, I have the little trays in here so I can put my groceries in. If I don't have enough space for groceries, I put this little hangers on each side. Obviously my plate, that's the boot. So once you get inside the back of the car, oop, at the back of the car, on the back of the car, I just have my work clothes hanging up. So like if I'm going out and I don't have time to like go home and change into like a work outfit, I have one in the back. And then over here I just got a bin, and then I have a light. So if someone dropped the phone and they can't find it, I got you, sis. I got you, sis. Yep. And then I need to put this at the front actually. Little sunnies for when it's, you know, a bit hot. Sun's out. Let's go to the other side. It's on the other side. Have my dog's little mattress thing, whatever they're called. So she's in the car and I don't want to scratch my leather seats. And then I have her seatbelt. I'm gonna actually put this up so I can show you how it looks like. So I did not like how my work clothes was just hanging up. It's giving me very much ghetto vibes. I just put it in the boot, reorganized my boot, and then put my dog little bed thing up. It actually is so comfortable. And this bed stuff has like a zip where you can put your thing in. I think I'm just gonna leave it in like this, to be honest. I don't know, I feel like it looks better like that. And then obviously the bin and stuff is still here. The front is a bit questionable still, so I'm still gonna fix the front, but the boot and the back is done. So I got some cameras last year for Christmas that my brother's just gonna put in the car for me. Got a little bro with the dreads, setting up the camera for his sister.
Cool.
Or whatever. Anybody tries any funny thing? I didn't hit your car. Oh, yes you did. Got on camera.
I be shining like I'm posed for you, might see me sliding in that old school, yeah, I ain't never asked for no favors, so if you ain't with me, then
These wires has got to go because it's giving me ghetto vibes. So I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna make it look cute because ew, like ew, excuse me? Excusez-moi? Another vibe. I look crazy right now, but just ignore it. I came to buy like an emergency kit thing. I didn't like the one I had. However, the ones that Kmart has, it's a bit disgusting. Like it looks cool. So I think I'm just gonna grab one because you're not really gonna see it, right?
I like you was later, but when I leave, but you still support like the rain. You come with me, we gotta get to it, what we wait for. It's that feeling that you can't ignore, and I know when you can count on, I gotta say no more, it's me. What you mean? I'm the one that never front, I keep it G, I do it like that.
I'm sorry for this bad angle, but we just gotta deal with it, okay? This is how inside looks like. First thing first, we got some pads. Okay, I'm gonna put the pads in this little zip lock thing at the front, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna put that in here. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of pads. And oh, these are massive pads. Ooh. Okay. I have sunscreen that can go over here. Some good old cocoa lotion that can go in here too. Deodorant that can also go in here. We got Hello Kitty that can go in here too. We have some really cheap like fragrance, super cheap fragrance. I'm literally just throwing all the rubbish on the floor because I'm gonna take it all out anyways. This is how the fragrance look, like $12. So I was like, okay, does anyone need fragrance? Got you. Got another fragrance that was like super cheap as well. It was like 12 bucks as well. So that is all the smelling good, lotiony section. Okay, now for this section we got Panadol, we got Telefast, we got a ice pack, we have 2 hair clips, we have a comb, we have a hairbrush, we have this little hair ties, a nail clipper, I have toothpaste. Because you know, sometimes you might be going out and you don't have time to brush your mouth. You have to go to work. Toothpaste, a spare toothbrush, mouthwash, And that is basically it. Obviously in my house I have my white wipes and stuff, so I'm gonna put in your bag. It's kind of heavy. I think it's time to go home because it's really hot in this car, and I can't put the fan on because you guys told me the year we had the fan on. But let's go home. The keys in the ignition, mama's rolling the body, got everyone winning.
And it don't take too much when I'm in my zone. Yeah, I know what you want. I never do too much, you know what I'm on. Feel like we can't do no wrong. I ain't gon' sugarcoat it, I've been feeling like the one. I had the clock and the lock and to get it done. Cause y'all be on the same thing, I had to switch it up. And don't make no comparisons, cause they ain't fit it.
This is the boot. Put all of my emergency bag on that hanger right there. And then on this side, it has my work clothes at the bottom, gym shoes, my vacuum, and then I have my work top and also chuck in the bin bags in there. And I don't know why I have a tea in here for some weird reason, but we're just gonna go with it. And then I have my dog's water bottle. So that's what the boot is. So let's go to the front. Okay, so when you come inside the car, you can put your bags on these hanging things, whatever they're called. Obviously you have the bin for the back seat, and then inside here I have my speaker. I have a speaker, so if I'm going to the beach and I ever need a speaker, I have a spare one. I also have the light I showed you guys earlier, so if someone dropped their phone, you have the light. This would be a perfect time to show it because it's a bit dark, but this is actually so bright. Yeah, you can see where you're going if you drop your phone. Okay, put that in here. And then on the seat, the back seat, I have like my dog's seat covers. I don't know why I called it a mattress earlier. Ignore that. And then her seat belt over here. And then I have my plates up. Have my back camera that my brother put up for me. These camera came with these wire thingy, whatever they're called, to hang on. However, it keeps falling. The camera came with this, I guess, the camera came with this clips to hang on top of here. Hang on top of here, but every time I put it on, it keeps falling. So I think I need to buy new clips or figure out how to make the clip to stick. And then this is the front part of the camera, but it just fell off. But let's just continue the tour. Okay, at the front we have the passenger side bin, and then we have the cup holders. The cup holder on this side. When you push this button, it comes out. I have a random doggy treat because earlier I was walking my dog and I gave her a treat and I just halved it, so that's a half. So we digress. Just the wires from the camera. I hate how it's just everywhere, so I need to actually buy clips to make it stick. Ignore the elastic band, pretend this doesn't exist at this moment. And then inside, my glove box, obviously the manual. I have some wipes. See, my screen is a little bit dirty. And then I have this, I got from Amazon. It's like a cleaning kit. On this side, we have a floss holder. So you pull this button, I'll show you guys, and then you have a floss that comes out and you can just grab it. I'm just gonna push it back inside because I don't need one right now. And then on the driver's side seat, I have a umbrella. It's a bit dark. I don't know if you guys can see this because it's a little bit dark or whatever, but I put like a sunglasses holder on here. And then on the other side has a tissue box holder, like so. So if someone needs tissue, oh my gosh, I ripped it, but you get the point. You can literally just do this still. You can still see yourself. And I just have extra dog seatbelt. But yeah, that's basically all. Thank you guys for helping me decorate my car. I know I kept changing my mind because I cannot make a decision. I'm indecisive as hell, as you guys saw, but we'll go there in the end. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your mom, your dog, your cat, your chicken, whosoever you think will like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.